Please do not touch any of the butterflies you see.
But they're so pretty.
Pretty poisonous.
No, they aren't.
Actually, butterflies can be poisonous.
Wow, I didn't know
Nowadays, the teacher said not to touch the butterflies because we must respect the forest.
But it's true. Butterflies can't be poisonous.
But sure, butterflies are poisonous.
I can't see any butterflies here.
This forest is huge. How can I see one butterfly?
I bet they're here, but they're hiding. Hiding from me? No, from predators.
Like birds. There's butterflies using their power to camouflage. What color do you think?
Green! Brown!
Red, maybe hiding in some flowers. Those are ugly colors. Best field trip ever. I go to my parents, but I found pretty butterflies.
I want to tell my parents that butterflies can be poisonous. But don't forget to tell them that's only to protect themselves from predators.
Better between camouflage and being poisonous, butterflies are tough.
But strong to look at. They're tough but pretty to look at.